Hello guys, welcome back again, and in this video we are going to analyze dot. And currently market is heading towards its fair value gap, which is available at this 3.9 area. So if I talk about for the 1 hour, then here change of character had happened, but for the long term, if we discuss, then this fair value gap is very important. And also if we draw a trend line from this point to here, then this trend line also playing an important role. So currently, what are the scenarios and how you should move further for the dot? If market touches this fair value gap, and if market mitigate this fair value gap, and then you can try to find evidence of bullish patterns here. And if you found bullish patterns, then you can take buy entry and put SL here or below that pattern. If you does not found any bullish pattern here, and if market directly touches this uh, trend line, then wait for the market to do like these things, because it means that market is just stopping at that level and maybe there is rejection available. So here if you see, then bullish engulfing was formed and a retest happened at this point, and you can see how much market has moved already. So these type of same patterns you have to find, and if this type of patterns does not form, then it will break down directly. So this is the actual method which you should work with it. And some people will think that they should always work with the patterns without trend lines and fair value gaps, but that is not going to be profitable. Why? Because here if you see, we have found this bearish engulfing, but that bearish engulfing has given you stop losses at this point. Why? Because there was not any specific level, and there was not any support and resistance, there was not any fair value gap. Okay, so if you blindly enter, then it will give you losses. So it will have greater accuracy of these patterns when you only combine it with the market structural levels and then fair value gaps. So market structural levels are very important. For example, change of character happened here, then break of structure. So if break of structure is happened upside, so try to avoid short entries. I don't take short entries in the bullish trend, and I don't take buy entries in the downtrend. I always wait for the market shift and then I usually build my entries. Like if you simply learn market structure and then these patterns, then you can see this bullish engulfing has worked very well. So in the bullish structure, bullish patterns works great. In the bearish structure, bearish pattern works great. Okay, so trading is not that much difficult. You just needed to have a strong mind, and your mind should be able to accept losses. And if you have hit your SL, then it's absolutely fine. Stop losses are part of the game. Each business have its stop loss and losses and profits mechanisms. So there is not any business which consistently give profits. You have to always align yourself with the market, so you can easily catch great moves. Okay, so for this short term, if we talk about, then maybe for the short term we can wait for this fair value gap, because this fair value gap is available on recent break of structure and on the recent made resistance. So if market touches this fair value gap, then you can build trades on it for the short side if you found bearish patterns in this fair value gap. If you do not found bearish patterns like bearish engulfing, like evening star, then don't take blindly sell at this point, because if you does not align it with the other pairs, and if you do not align it with the other methods, then only single method cannot give you more accuracy. So when you are combining 2 to 3 things together, then maybe it will decrease the number of trades, but it will definitely increase win rate, and it will definitely proven to be profitable for the long term. When you will not place stop losses, you cannot stay in the market for the long term, because eventually you will liquidate your account. But if you are placing your stop losses, if you are booking your profits, and if you are getting some good win rate and good profit factor, then these things will stay longer with you. Okay, so why 90% people fail? Due to the psychology, because they don't put SL. They think that market will always work in their favor, and they don't need it stop losses. So that kind of approach always leads towards the losses.